Mirror, mirror on the wall.
Who's the fairest of them all? Oh! Hi! Sorry about that. I'm David, and welcome back to Baking Unafraid. Today we are making a white chocolate raspberry mirror glaze mousse. Oh, yes, it is delicious. And it's so cool because you can see your reflection in it. So I do have a few tips for this to make sure that your mirror glaze mousse cakes turn out perfectly. My number one tip for this recipe is to have a scale. Baking is a science and the measurements for this recipe need to be exact. I cannot stress that enough. The other tip I have for this recipe is to practice. A lot of times with baking, you're not going to get it right the first time. The more you practice this recipe, the more you try it, well, the more samples you get, and the closer you get to getting it right. So, scale and practice. You got this. So get to it. I want to see all of those reflections, and don't forget to bake unafraid and have some fun.